Hi there. In this video we're going to talk about VDI migration and how Avacee can help you with the planning process. As a quick recap, Avacee is a born-in-the-cloud, massively scalable, extensible way of managing IT systems no matter where they are. Looking at VDI migration planning, there's three things you need to tackle up front. You've got to choose your applications, you've got to choose your users, and you've got to choose what storage you're going to bring with you into your new virtual desktop environment. Avacee can help with all three of those, but today we're going to particularly look at applications and users. So let's begin by looking at actual data from a real-world VDI migration project. It's been anonymized here, and it was collected without any Avacee agent. We took the data and imported it from System Center, from Tanium, and some other systems. We imported about 2 million rows of application installs collected from just over 13,000 desktops and users. And here's the interactive dashboard we built. So there's just under 7,000 unique applications. And what we've done is begin to filter them. So you can see here that application, and again, anonymized name, is installed 13,000 times on 96% of devices across the entire organization. In fact, there are 32 applications in this filter. And you can see that we've started to leave some out that are only installed on 26% of desktops, for example. With those 32 applications, we've already found 735 devices that have those applications or fewer. So in other words, if we put together a VDI desktop build of those 32 applications, we would immediately get 735 candidate devices that could be replaced with a thin client or some other way of accessing that virtual desktop environment, and the users would have all the applications they currently use. There's one other little subtlety here. We're actually filtering the number of monitors as well. We don't want devices that have more than 2 monitors because they're typically not good candidates for a thin client. So here is a list of devices that are currently matching our application filter. And you can see for every device we know, like the job description of the user, the department, division, the tech liaison, that's the representative who we talk to for IT matters, and so on. So let's say we wanted to pick a candidate department to go first in our VDI project. I'm going to pick this one. Again, anonymized data, there would be a real actual location name there. And you'll see that in this particular location, for this list of applications, we're only matching 12 devices right now. There's actually nearly 100 at that location. Now here are the 12 that match. You can see this match column shows you how well we're doing. So let's go and find some more applications and see if we can improve that. So if I click on this little pop out here, you'll see we get a list of the 12 applications that match and the one that does not. So let's double click that. And it turns out actually this application is installed on 1,867 other devices. That's about 14% of them. So let's include it in our list of application filters. And as you can see, it goes through all of that data, all 2 million rows or whatever it is, and tells you that now there are 17 devices that will match in that department if you were to start with this list of 33 applications. And so you could repeat this and add more applications to the filter until you'd found enough devices to begin your VDI pilot. Let me show you 2 other ways that we can analyze this data with real-time response. Here's a list of all the applications again sorted in a chart, and again you can see across the entire organization that there are, for example, 11,283 of that particular Adobe application. And we can filter them by, let's pick a division. And there you can see now that in this division, the most frequently installed application is from F5. There are 729 of those. And finally, I just want to show you a view of the raw data. I like this because, remember, there are nearly 2 million application installs. We're pulling back the first 10,000 here and paging it so you can see it. But let me show you how fast we can sort and filter the data in the Avacee data lake. So let me pick a particular publisher via, let's pick a particular application, again anonymized. There are 840 installs of that particular publisher and application combination, and you can sort them by version and get an instant response. In another video, we'll cover the other areas of VDI migration planning and show how Avacee can help with analyzing application usage, inspecting the user profile, and finding more files on the user desktop. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.